Welcome to this particular video. This is one of the most important videos that would really help you skyrocket your affiliate income. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create evergreen affiliate marketing income streams. Now, income systems actually. Now, what do I mean by evergreen income? I mean daily sales, consistent inflow of sales every day on autopilot. That means a system that will run without constant manual intervention. That also works beyond launches. It's not dependent on any specific product launch or event. This is how to do it. So the formula for evergreen is number one, traffic. You need to attract visitors to your platform. Now, at this point, you should start running Facebook ads. Number two, lead magnet, offering value to capture like information. Email sequence is the next. Offer presenting in your email sequence, then repeat the cycle. This is it. You can do this and you don't even need to like move the needle and sales will just keep running into your bank account. Now, content, content evergreen strategy. Now, as we have an affiliate, as we have a evergreen system, we also need to have an evergreen strategy. What are the evergreen content strategy? Number one, YouTube videos. Very important in this time and age. Don't negotiate YouTube videos. Very important in these times. YouTube content that ranks and generates for years, that ranks and generate traffic for years. Number two, blog posts. SEO optimized article driving organic search traffic. Number three, automated emails. Pre-written email sequences delivering value and offers. Essential tools you can use. System.io, that is the one I use. All in one platform, email marketing funnels and all. Zapier, I've not used Zapier before, but I heard it connect apps and to automate workflow and tasks. Scheduling apps. Now, what I use is system.io is what I can speak for, and I think that's what we've done a practical on. Evergreen funnel examples. Number one, this is the how you do it. Number one, you give a free guide to like attract your leads with a valuable of with value. This is a free content. You take them into your email. You send them a opt-in page to build, like you send them an email sequence to build trust and educate your subscribers. Number three, affiliate offers. You need to present your offer in a relevant, like present a relevant product and that is in correlation to what people signed up for. Then bonus delivery, enhance value, and encourage conversion. All this talk is just for you to like give lead magnets, nurture them, present your affiliate marketing offer, and deliver the products. Then, you know, advantage of evergreen system: passive income. You earn while you sleep, freeing up your time. Scalable growth. Easy to expand your reach because you just need to like pump more money on ads. Reduce stress, less pressure from constant product launches. Common pitfall to avoid: weak content. Poor content leads to no traffic, no engagement. Over complicating things. Complex funnel deters users and increase friction. Number three, neglecting follow up. Never do this. Always find an opportunity to follow up every single time. With that being said, you just need to build your evergreen future right now. Start implementing these strategies today. It's not going to be easy. It can take you days to actually set up these things, but trust me, it will actually make you so much money without moving, without pressure. I built an automated system and my life just changed. Even this course, probably listening to it in an automated way. So that is how to win in this time and age.